Yeah.
That was fast.
What do you say? 'Cause he ain't out of breath.
That was nothing.
Nice harder from the bottom right.
Yeah.
You tried that way?
In the bottom, I can't do it.
I tried.
I only did it once, and that was the way you did it.
Either way.
Yeah, like that, and put both hands down there. And when you stand up, you bring it up with you.
Roll from the top. Roll from the top.
Sit it on there and let's roll it back over here.
So then we're gonna roll the scale. 'Cause
Oh yeah, bring it. Go get the forklift. For what? We're gonna put it on scale, see how much it is.
I don't know, because Johnny was gonna get it and didn't.
Okay.